We wolves, baby. We wolves.
A full moon make my blood curl. Got me stuck in opposition in the underworld. Savage beasts like wolves when we roaming these beats. And what beliefs, fuck peace, go to war with police. So-called priest, there's a demon in your hood scheming. Catch me after 6 leaning with the 9 steaming. Ain't that your BM? The sound of the Glock sound like rods and watts. I point a Ruger at your cruiser, give you something to watch. DTs fed the knocks, exchanging shots. The broad day until the first one late when he pop. And if I pull and you pull, the one to get it worse be the last to burst. I see you status with the fattest nerds, gap holders, tucking them burners with the fat bowlers concealed, but quickly revealed through your window shield. Reckless, connect like a necklace for your necklace is on, foaming like Voltron and long.
Yeah, police, let's be ready.
Time to see your niggas getting beat in the street.
Yeah, police, let's be ready.
Hungry ass thugs that be trying to eat.
Yeah, police, let's be ready.
People when they get up off of your feet. And let the wolves out. And let the wolves out. And let the wolves out.
Yo, I've been labeled a bad guy since birth. I was put on a part of the earth with a turf. His record never smooth. What do you got to lose? Not a damn thing. That's why I holler Annie up when you holler bling bling. How do I survive? I strap up on my heat. I get out on the beat. I find a way to eat. See, William never sleep. You think it's something sweet, and I will kindly lift your ass up off your feet. Shackle me in chains. Tamper with my brain. With a 10-digit number when you call me by my name. The system has been aimed for every 211 and every 187. My niggas get the blame. What happened to Diallo is a motherfucking shame. How about if I spit 41 at you and in the game?